So here's how I'm gonna scale your course to $84,000 every single month as soon as possible. So if you don't know me, previously I was teaching people how to make money for Snapchat. I was making around 1K a day for Snapchat, but I was also teaching people how to make money for Snapchat. And that's where most of my money came from. And in just 2 months, from November 1st to May 31st, I made 640K in gross revenue on WOP. So after WOP fees, it was around 620K. I also got some money through crypto, PayPal, Wise, etc. So it was well over 600K fully profit. And this video we're gonna split into 2 parts. Getting to 20K a month and scaling to $84,000 a month. Because getting to 20K a month is really basic things. Here we're gonna focus on building an offer, building attention and sales process. And on scaling to 84K a month, we're gonna focus on building automation, running ads and hiring people. So first thing in terms of getting to 20K a month is offer creation. Probably you, course seller watching this video, you think that you have an offer, but mostly often people do not have an offer. They just know that they help people with something. That's why I wanted to cover the offer creation here. Ask yourself a really simple question: what skill do I have that other people pay premium for? So for example, TJR has trading skill, Samuel Onuha has eco skill, or this guy has sports betting skill. All those guys are expert. For example, Samuel Onuha is running dropshipping stores. As you can see here, in one day he made well over 1.5 million. And now if you know what skill you're gonna be teaching that people pay premium for, write an offer statement. Really simple, not overcomplicate it. I help ABC people get extras in Y time with that skill. That's it, do not overcomplicate it. Now if you have an offer statement, if you basically know what you're teaching, then you need to start getting attention, because you know you can have great funnel, you can have great bucket, great sales process, great people inside your team, but if no one knows what you're teaching, then no way you're gonna sell something. And in terms of getting attention, no, here you don't need to go viral. Most people are telling you that you should go viral, that you should get millions of views every single month, that if you're not getting 10 million views in last 30 days, then you should not be selling something. No, the only thing that matters in terms of getting attention is that create content that speaks directly to your ideal customers. You do not need to go viral, you just need to speak to people that care about what you sell. For example, in my old Snapchat offer, I was teaching people how to make money from Snapchat, but it was basically how to make money online. So I was ranking gurus because that's what people care about in terms of making money online. I was showing how they can start making money on Snapchat. I was making jokes about to make money online, guys. Me, after hitting my first 10K per month, it's time to buy Dubai penthouse. This video is actually funny because right now I'm in the process of getting a property here, teaching how copying pasting videos can make you money for Snapchat. And in terms of content, we're gonna split into 2 different platforms: Instagram as a short form platform and YouTube as a long form platform. Instagram is super easy, it's short form platform. It's basically, the goal here is to reach the most amount of qualified people. And YouTube is long form platform. Most people spend longer time on it. For example, this video is not 1 or 2 minutes long. I can here put much more sauce than, for example, in short form, but short form content is much easier to get traffic. And the goal of YouTube is to make those people trust you. So for example, if someone's watching your reels, they go into YouTube and right now they pretty much trust, because they spend 10 minutes on YouTube long form video, they spend 20 minutes, hour long, etc. And the next part, we're gonna be mapping the whole sales process. This is really important. Most people sleep on it. Most people think that if they're gonna have good content, if they're gonna have views, it's gonna magically convert. No, it doesn't work that way. Of course, you can making 5K a month, 10K a month, but it's pretty much nothing. Like, it was 10K per month. So here we want to draw how your sales process looks like. So for example, if someone goes from your Instagram content or Instagram DMs or from YouTube, they go to VSL page. Basically, think about where you want to redirect people. So for example, in my case, they were going to VSL page, then they were going to qualification for if they watch the VSL, and here, if they had more than 1K willing to invest, I was sending them to qualified page. So they needed to book call with my closer, and right after they booked the call, I was sending them straight to booking confirmation page. And if they were disqualified, they had less than 1K willing to invest, I was sending them straight to low ticket page. So firstly, they were getting product for $20, and right after they bought the product for $20, I was sending them straight to mid ticket page. Here I had another VSL creating the need to buy mid ticket, and here they're buying mid ticket for $500. So this part pretty much was working automatically without any closers, without any setters, because setter was working here. And this part, the qualification part, here I had setter, dialer, and closer. So here I had SOPs. So person knew exactly what to do. So closer knew exactly what to do, setter knew exactly what to do, and dialer knew exactly what to do. So I had pretty much everything: no show process, no close process, client onboarding process. Here the goal was to basically automate this side. Of course, you can't automate one-on-one calls with people, you can't put AI right now on that, but here I needed to automate, so I put as much SOPs, because there is no point in having variables. This should be pretty clear sales process that you can repeat it over and over again. And right now at this point, if you've done everything right, you should be closing sales like this a couple times every single month. So sales for 5K, for example, for high ticket product, some sales for low ticket for $20, for $500 for mid ticket. Most people automatically buy mid ticket because it's just one click upsell. So only with, for example, 4 high ticket sales, you'll be making 20K a month. And that's basically the base, and that just shows how easy courses are if you know what you're doing. And now we are going to second part, so scaling to $84,000 a month. Here we already have some content working, you already get some views, get some traction from people that care about your offer, you already have some trust, you have some testimonials. So right now we are going to scaling. So here your goal is to basically automate everything you can. So we're gonna automate all of the manual tasks you are doing. So we're gonna use Zapier or Make.com. I personally use Zapier, it's much easier for me, but you can use both of them. And we're gonna automate for booked calls, qualified leads, join newsletters, payment down. We're gonna start automating everything so there is no manual labor. Because with manual labor you can scale to 20K a month, 30K a month, but if you want to actually see scale to 80k month, 100k month, 500k month, or even if you want to exit the company later, then you need to start automating things because manual labor doesn't create leverage. And this could be really simple automation. For example, if someone bought the low ticket product, they send notification through Slack, so basically the communication for all of your team, and then it's adding the person to CRM. And right now the dialer knows, alright, this person bought low ticket, but he didn't bought mid ticket, let me dial to him. Or maybe let's check if he's qualified and he just put in the form that he's not willing to buy for product for 5k. That's why automations are really important, because there is no point of doing manually. It saves a bunch of your time so you can focus on more important tasks. For example, creating content or running ads that basically brings you more money. Because you probably right now you are doing everything by yourself. You are recording content, you are editing content, you are coming up with content ideas, you are delivering to people, you are giving people results, so basically people that bought products from you. You are closing probably by yourself, and you are DM setting by yourself. So right now everything inside your offer is all done by you. And one of the first things in terms of automating, if you haven't done right now, is gonna be hiring a video editor. You can use Upwork, Fiverr, online jobs. There are buyers of sites to find a video editor. Also probably a bunch of video editors just DMing you right now on Instagram. If you have such action in your profile, it's super easy to find a good video editor. That's pretty much gonna be the base, because for example, if you find a video editor that's taking $150 for example for long form videos and $20 for Instagram reel video, and for example if you pay $150 for a video editor for a video, it's pretty much nothing. And if you get for example 2 high ticket sales from this one single video, you made like 10k. You spent $150 to make 10k. So that's pretty much insanely good ROI. Second person you want to hire is appointment setter. So this guy gonna pretty much run with all of your DMs. So he gonna reply to people on Instagram through Instagram DMs. Maybe if you're on a Telegram community, through Telegram DMs. So instead of you trying to set people trying to book a call, he's gonna do it for you and he's gonna work on commission basis. But the most important thing is to teach him to your offer. So here's exactly how you're gonna do that. By now you already booked some calls through DMs. You probably booked 5 calls, 10 calls, 15 calls through DMs, right? So right now you pretty much know what's working, what's not working, what common objections do people have, what are their emotions, what do they want from life, etc. So you will need to create SOP for what works for you and show it to your setter. And basically the setter is gonna work on that. Because for example, let's say my Snapchat offer, right? If new setter is joining to my offer, he doesn't know that I was making 30k more for Snapchat. He doesn't know that most people that want to make my Snapchat are just 9-to-5ers that want to add few k every single month to their 9-to-5 salary. He doesn't know that. That's why you need to have great SOPs. You can just put it on Google Docs, Notion, etc. Notion is one of the best, is one of the simplest. I personally using Notion, for example. This offer, in my old Snapchat offer, I was also using Notion, and all of my clients are using Notion. And also in terms of SOPs, I give my personal DM framework, all of the frameworks I use, to all of my clients inside of my offer. If you don't know me, I scale courselers past 50k months right now. So if you want me to scale your offer, by the way, you can just click first link in the description. Then watch a quick video, see if it resonates with you, and if it resonates, just book a call. We're gonna hop on a call, talk together. And even if you're hesitating right now, you can just book a call. I'm not gonna hard pitch you. I already have clients, I'm already making money, so there is no need for me to try to hard pitch you if I will know that we are just not a good fit working together. And the third person you're gonna hire is basically a closer. So the closer is the person that's gonna hop on the calls for you. And he's also gonna be working commission based. Mostly of the setters are working 5%, closers are working on 10%. And pretty much the exact same thing applies here. You need to teach the closer. So how to teach them is pretty much the same. By now you're already close some clients, you probably booked like 5 calls, 10 calls, 15 calls, you probably hope to like 10 of them, and right now you close some deals, you know exactly what are the objectives of people. So right now you need to create SOPs for what works for you, plus send all of the whole recordings and show it to your closer. You can use Phaeton for that, it's automatically recording all of the calls. And also create SOPs for that, so whenever new closers joins the offer, he knows exactly what to do, he's well trained and he's maximized to make as much money as possible. And same thing applies here. I also give my own personal closing frameworks to all of my clients inside my offer. So if you want to get all of them, just click the first link in the description, watch the video, book a call, and I will see you on the call. And now we are going to another part, which is basically running ads, because you already scale some content through organic, you already make some money from organic content, but organic content is not fully predictable. It's pretty hard to predict if some video gonna convert, some video not gonna convert. Of course, you can create a system that's also really good. You should be also focusing on organic, but running ads is also really important. Because right now you have pretty much everything set up. You have a closer, setter, video editor, probably you also have a dialer if you're level of 50k, 60k a month. You spend like 1-2 hours every single week of creating content, and now you just need to run ads. You want to run ads because in ads you can target only high quality audience. And ads are just simple math, it's just simple calculations. Let's say you sell $3,000 program, right? And your cost per lead is, let's say, $20. And your cost per booked call is, let's say, $60, right? And your show rate is 70% and close rate is 40%. You can calculate by yourself, you can use ChatGPT for that, but if you just put all of these things here, then cost per closed call gonna be $214. Let's say you sell $3,000 program, then you have like 13 extra Y just because you run ads. But you start running ads because you know exactly what your qualified audience looks like. You want to target only them. With organic, we already built the base. We know pretty much what's working, what's not working, and with ads, we are running only what's working. So if you want my help implementing all of the systems so you can scale your offer like mine, for example, to 600k fully profit in just 7 months, like Jack to 12k weeks, and and he went for like 4k months, or here like 13k in first month running offer, or one of my clients who made 607k revenue from 4.2 thousand followers. If you want my help implementing all of the systems so you can actually scale your offer, just click the first link in the description. Click the first link in the description, watch the video, see if it resonates with you, and if it resonates with you, just book a call. And if you're gonna book a call and we're gonna see that we're just good fit working together, I will basically scale your offer to results like this. So my all snapshot offer is 600k in 7 months, like Jack's offer to 12k weeks, like here's offer to 30k first month, or like here 607k revenue for 4.3 thousand followers. I know any person who did that amount of money with that small followers. And it's one of the perfect proof that you do not need to go like crazy viral in order to make good money from courses. So that's it, thanks for watching, implement this into your offer, and I promise you will scale it.